Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone Off-Road's tailgate table for Jeep's 07 to current JK and JL Wranglers and Ford's 22 to current 6th generation Bronco. Step 1. Open your vehicle's tailgate and gently and evenly remove the plastic accessory panel, revealing the mounting locations if applicable. Step 2. With an M6 nutsert tool, install the 4 included nutserts in the shown holes. The JK will require the table to be level with the shown edge before drilling. And the JL Wrangler will use another set of holes. Both of which are explained in other videos, linked below. Step 3. With the help of a friend, hold the table up to the tailgate and use the included M6 bolts, washers, and spacers to secure it with a 4mm hex wrench. And you're done.